All right, everybody, good morning. Hey, yesterday we worked a little bit with story problems and we did some brackets and we underlined some things and we wrote some division number sentences. That's what we're going to do again today. Okay, this is our worksheet that we're working on right now. This does not have to be turned in, but we need to work on this together, all right? Okay, so here we go. I'm just trying to get this angled the right way. All right, well, you guys can see that pretty well, I hope. All right, here's the first story. We're at number 1. There are 18 cupcakes. If each child will have 2 cupcakes, how many children can have cupcakes? Now, yesterday we drew this out and then we solved it. Today, you can draw it out. If that helps you, you can draw it out anywhere you'd like. But we're just going to write down the number sentence, okay? But we do know something. So remember how we did brackets yesterday and then we underlined a question? We're going to do the same thing today. So we know that there are 18 cupcakes. So we're going to put a bracket around that information. And we also know that each child will have 2 cupcakes. We know that information. And now we're going to draw a line underneath the question. How many children can have cupcakes? That's what we're trying to find out. So this is going to be division, and you're going to start with 18. You're going to divide that by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 9 children will have cupcakes. Okay, next story. There are 35 children. Mr. Bellucci wants to put 5 children in each group. How many groups of children will he have? Okay, let's bracket 35 children. And Mr. Bellucci wants to put 5 in each group. Underline the question. This is what we're trying to find out. So we're going to start with 35. Again, if you need to draw this out, draw this out. Okay, whatever helps you. We're going to divide that by 5. And that is 7. So the answer is 7 groups. Okay, number 3. 5 children will share 20 stickers. How many stickers will each child get? Okay, now this is a little different. We know that 5 children, we know that they're going to share 20 stickers. And here's what we're trying to figure out. Okay, so we are going to start with 20. We're going to divide that by 5, and the answer is 4. So the answer is 4 stickers. Now we're looking at the chart over here. Okay, we're going to use this chart to answer 4 and 5. It says Mrs. Brown wants to make groups of 4 children. How many groups can she make? Well, here's Mrs. Brown. She has 24 children. So we're going to first of all underline what we're going to find out here. How many groups can she make? Okay, so then we're going to put 24 because that's how many she has. She wants to put groups of 4 children. The answer is 6. 6 groups. Number 5. Mrs. Romento wants to divide her class into 3 groups. How many children will be in each group? Mrs. Memento has 21. Let's underline what we want to find out here. Okay, so 21 divided by 3 equals 7. How many children will be in each group? 7 children. For the final one, there are 42 days until summer vacation. How many weeks is that? So for this one, you have to think, well, how many days are in a week? And that answer is 7. But first of all, let's underline the question. So 42 days divided by 7. We got 7 because there's 7 days in a week. And the answer to that is 6. 6 weeks. Okay, I do not want you to turn this in, but let's move on to lesson or homework lesson 108. I do want you to turn this one in, plus of course the fact homework too. Okay, Alicia, Barry, Fred, and Janet will share 24 crackers. Draw a napkin for each child. Draw a picture to show the crackers on each child's napkin. How many crackers will each child receive? Okay, first you have to remember, think about your people. We have Alicia. Here's a napkin for her. Barry, Fred, Janet. Share 24 crackers. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put one in each one until we get to 24. Okay, so let's do this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so our sentence is going to be 24 divided by 4 equals 6. You will get 6 crackers. Okay, what is a reasonable estimate for the weight of a small dog? Think about that one. It would be about 10 pounds. Okay, write each number in expanded form. Hey, you guys did better with that one. I only saw a couple of you. Probably didn't watch the video. Give me words. Don't give me words. I want numbers with an addition sentence. All right, so 580. 500 plus 80. 1056. 1000 plus 50 plus 6. All right, let's find the products. The product is the answer of a multiplication sentence. So this answer, 13 times 1000. Think of 13 times 1, comma, 1, 2, 3, 13,000. Okay, 40 times 100. We have 4. Add those zeros. 4,000. 8 times 1,000. Well, 8 times 1 is 8. 8,000. 7 times 100. 7 times 1 is 7. 700. Okay, these are pies. How much pie is left? So we look at the ones right here. Okay, so if you look at this, you could easily divide those into 4 So if you look at this one, we have 1 whole pie, and there's 1 out of 4 pieces left. How much pie was eaten? Well, we see that 2 whole pies were eaten, and looks like 3 out of 4 missing, so that would be 2 and 3/4. Okay, let's do our subtraction. I'm going to raise this up a little bit higher. Okay, so the answers, and we're going to check the subtraction by adding. Okay, we have 692 minus 318. Remember, please, don't think you can say, oh, 8 minus 2 is 6. You cannot do that. You cannot take 8 away from 2. It's impossible. So we have to borrow. Now, if you look at the tens column, you see 9 minus 1. We can start there because you can certainly borrow. So we're going to cross off the 9, put an 8, carry the extra 10. Now we have 12 minus 8. And 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. To check it, 8 plus 4 is 12. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then you have 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, look at the next problem. We cannot start over here. You cannot say 7 minus 0 is 7. You cannot say 9 minus 0 is 9. You cannot do that. You cannot take 7 away from 0. You cannot take 9 away from 0. So we have to start way over in the hundreds column, and we have to borrow. We have to trade. So we're going to cross off the 4, 3. Make this into a 10, but we have to borrow again. Okay, now we have 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Check our work. 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 plus 9 is 9, but we have the 1, that'll be a 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, we have another 1, so that'll be 4. I just made a mistake right there. Teachers make mistakes too. Okay, 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, all right, and then 9, that's what I did. 9 minus 0 is 9 plus 1, that should be a 0. That should be the 1, and that should be a 4. Sorry about my mistake. I was like, that doesn't look right. And that's what you do. If it looks wrong, you go, wait a minute, something isn't quite right with that. Don't just leave it go. Double check your work, just like I had to. Okay? All right, next one. Looks humongous. Don't panic. One step at a time. And this is an addition. So that means you're going to start way over here. Okay? All right, so let's start. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. We have a decimal. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 8 is 17. Put your comma. Then we have 3 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6. Okay, please make sure you do your other side and turn it in along with your fact homework. All right, see you guys later.